Okay, so I just came out on the trails to clean up some garbage, and the garbage I cleaned up around the water area. Yeah, I found $5, which was pretty cool. And then I'm also like putting old bread and some bird feed and stuff just as I go. And then it got me thinking about the whole, Hansel and Gretel. Now, I don't know the complete story, but I'm pretty sure the parents can't feed them or something like that. So they send them out into the woods, but they leave a trail of bread to get back or something. Yeah, what if it's just them abandoning the whole idea of taking a look at themselves, because your kids pick up your energy, right? Whatever that's not healed. Good and bad stuff. Just a thought.